Welcome to my channel. Today we will be making tofu chips. Now let's prepare our tofu. The tofu that we will be using is Chinese soft tofu. This tofu has medium firmness that will hold its shape even if sliced thinly. Slice the tofu as thin as you can without breaking it. Now our tofu is ready for a light coating of flour. You can also use breadcrumbs for this step. It will add crunch to your chips. Now our tofu is prepared and ready for frying. Heat up your pan and pour in around ½ inch of vegetable oil so it cooks your chips evenly. To test if the oil is ready, you can sprinkle flour. If the flour bubbles, you are now ready to fry. Fry your tofu until golden brown and place on a dripping tray so that excess oil is removed. Now our tofu chips is done. You can enjoy this as is or flavored with seasoning powder as I did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.